My favorite storybook. I have read thousands of books, and out of them I have read a book with many adventures. It was Around the World in 80 Days, written by Jules Verne. It is also a novel which gives us a lesson in life. In this story, Phileas Fogg and Passepartout get a challenge to travel around the world in 80 days from the Reform Club. But in this time there were no jets and fast trains. The schedule of Phileas Fogg was from London to Suez, via Mount Cenis and Brindisi, by rail and boat 7 days, from Suez to Bombay by boat 13 days, from Bombay to Calcutta by rail 3 days, from Calcutta to Hong Kong by boat 13 days, from Hong Kong to Yokohama by boat 6 days, from Yokohama to San Francisco by boat 22 days, from San Francisco to New York by rail 7 days, from New York to London by boat and rail 9 days, altogether 80 days. Then Phileas Fogg and Passepartout complete the challenge. In this story you can get an idea about how to face a challenge.